Hey, hello, and welcome to the Red Rose Academy. This is Beulah from the Red Rose Academy, one of the largest concept oriented coaching on school based curriculum and higher education. Today, I'm going to tell you how to study smart and not hard. So, let me introduce about memory mind maps, which is more fun, exciting, and simple also, and it is the better way to study smart. And then nowadays, students are busy in your school, studying, learning, remembering, understanding, homework, examinations, and years of it. It is always occupying your life. So, wouldn't it be great to find a way to make studying easier and more enjoyable with better marks and spending less time at it? Yeah, it'll be more interesting and let me give you some exercises. Give yourself 3 minutes to write an article on important topic of your favorite subject, for example, electricity. Now, give yourself another 3 minutes to construct a memory mind map of your favorite subject without any padding words. Use only keywords, links, pictures, and colors. It is most important that you do this exercise. You will soon discover that you can convey an enormous amount of information in 3 minutes with your memory mind map, but not much information in the linear form of word after word in your traditional written article. So, this is more advantageous since the main ideas are focused and emphasized. It is set up the way the brain is set up. It works in a series of connections, uses the process of both the left and right sides of the brain, and structure makes recall or remembering easier, quick and easy to read over also. Like a map, much information can be captured on one page. For example, with a good memory mind maps, more than 10 pages from a physics textbook can be reduced into a single page. I think this is interesting information for you. So, with this memory mind map, you don't need to waste 90% of your time on reading. You can just spend a few seconds very often reviewing them. Nowadays, you students are busy in your examinations. You are always studying, and you are always associated with your books and all. I mean, science books, mathematics books. Every books are associated with you always. Actually, but the exams should not be more productive for you. Okay, so let me give you some more tips in order to get full marks or 100% in your examination results. First thing I want to mention you the timetable. There is no other smarter study tip than planning. Plan your week, plan your day, and even plan down to the last hour, and you'll be surprised at how much you can achieve because the brain is more protected because it knows for what it has to do and for how long. 20% read and 80% recite. Now sometimes I find that we read the entire day, we go from one subject to the next and the brain gets so bored and tired that it totally stops paying attention. Now how about this? You just read a concept, close your book, ask yourself a question and try to answer it without opening a book in your own words and relate it back to your own concepts perhaps that you learned sometimes back, and also try to come up with your own examples to understand each and every concept. Don't forget to go back and check with your teacher whether the examples are relevant with the concept or not. The next tip I must introduce about notes. One really clever way to save your time is to go over your class notes. Within minutes of class getting over, you just browse over those notes and put whatever still struck in your mind, and you have been able to write it down, put all that information quickly on the paper. So when you go back later on and open those notes, you'll complete. And this is only really special smart study tip that will help you to save a huge amount of time. Students, no worries about your examinations. You'll be more informative if you follow and subscribe